As part of my work for Estyn, the Education and Training Inspectorate for Wales, I had the opportunity to write a report on sexual harassment in further education colleges across Wales, and it's fantastic to see the 12 colleges working together with Colleges Wales to address one of the recommendations within that report, which was about developing strategies to prevent and tackle misogynistic behaviours and attitudes.
Great to be here today in Cardiff City Stadium, where we've been in the room together. We've had 400 learners thinking about how we can promote respectful relationships and tackle misogyny. This is in response to an Estyn report about 2 years ago that really shone a light on some quite challenging behaviour in some of our colleges. And ColegauCymru, working with our colleges across Wales, are working together to see what we can do to begin to change learner behaviour. This is part of an international project. We're working with a range of international partners. As we know, we've got lots to learn and also lots to share as well. So delighted that we've been able to run events this week, both in Cardiff and in Wrexham, so that we're reaching learners right across Wales.
We at Taith have played a part in bringing She Is Not Your Rehab to Wales. So today they've been talking to college learners, trying to change attitudes towards gender-based violence in Wales. And I know they're doing a range of different things over the course of the week for practitioners as well. So at Taith, we first got involved with She Is Not Your Rehab with their work with the youth sector. So now to see it widening out to further education in colleges is fantastic. So yeah, mae'n flaen ti fod yma heddiw. So fel rhan o Taith, ni di chwarae rhan mewn dod a She Is Not Your Rehab a Matt Brown I ddod I Gymru I siarad efo dysgwyr o colegau Addysg Bellach, I newid y gweddau tuag at camdrin merched a fenywod. So mae jyst yn wych I weld y gwaith yma yn tyfu yng Nghymru I trio newid agweddau trwy sesiynau efo ddysgwyr a siarad yn uniongyrchol efo dysgwyr hefyd.
Kia ora, talofa. It's a massive honour to be back here in Wales, this time around spending and hanging out with over 500 boys, 15 to 17-year-olds. My message for all you lads is, yes, your childhood trauma wasn't your fault, but your healing is absolutely your responsibility.
I thought Matt's speech was very moving, especially for people of, well, all ages who have a story to tell without knowing a safe place to openly share their story. It gives them a sense of security and a support so they can actually talk about it before it gets bad. But when you deal with it at the start, it's easier to talk about it before it gets too bad and affects your mental health.
So I think it's great that events like today happen. I think it's great for our young people to have a positive voice and positive role models to hear that there is help and support available and how they can access that support, and that it is safe to speak, talk and say about your vulnerabilities. And I love the fact that we had Love You Bro in there. I think that's a really positive message, and I just think today, events like today are really important for our young people growing up.
Yeah, today felt amazing. It felt like it properly came to my heart, not just the mind, like it went straight to me. I felt involved. I felt like it was something very engaging for not just me, for other boys and men, including teachers, not just students in this room. Felt close to home, like how he said it, straight to my heart.